question. But before me ask the question, we just want to verify something. Now I know that this is the time when people normally give gifts and them something, right? Now that there's any time to really give gifts. But we just want to find out. We never get one gift yet, whether it be Christmas gift or from your Pixie or whatever. And you wonder,
what is?
Bruh.
What is this?
Now let me ask the real question. Suppose somebody buy one pair of socks for you. Would that be a perfect gift? I bet it. Let me rephrase the question. Suppose somebody buy this a socks for you. No a perfect gift that. No man. Look when the socks them good. It bad, don't? Alright, well since we all agree so the socks them bad like you see in both in our prime. But we'll talk about them now. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the baddest Jamaican themed, Jamaican inspired, Jamaican everything socks pan the market. Irie Steppings by Boxosox. Some bad piece of socks, people. No, me don't know about you know. But me love Jamaica. And me love things that allow me to be able to show my Jamaicanness anywhere me go. Especially when I quality things. And this here, people, are quality. Take a pre on the packaging, people. The packaging premium, don't. When you go right in and them thing there. And then when you open the box here now, people. You open the box and you're greeted by one card. It's going to show you everything about the socks them in the box. Now we're going to talk about the socks them. But before we do that, let me take a little sniff this.
Something right there.
We need to get them borrowed from foreign. Now the first one, we're talking about uniqueness. We're talking about rep Jamaica, people. They want to name everything Irie. It's a one love on it. It's a Jah guide and protect. It's a one of Jamaica's most favorite things. Jamaica no problem, people. Socks them bad. Now the next one in your music maker, I love that one of people. As you know, Jamaica the originator of reggae, dancehall, ska, mento and so many other genres. Plus Jamaica has inspired so many other genres overseas. Yeah, man, when you read a socks up on your foot, you know just rep Jamaica, you know, but you teach people about Jamaica and Jamaican things. And the next one you know, name Lick about Talawa. People talk about the hummingbird pint and the link them fight. Look on the socks, people. Tell me say this a look good, people. And this now rep Jamaica and everything about Jamaica. Jamaica's we lick about with Talawa and small but we mighty. And you stop there, so there are more socks than the box. One of them named Sun, Sea and Sun, which speaks about the beauty of Jamaica, as we know Jamaica is all about sun, sea and sun. And then the next one I say out of many one, which speaks to our motto. And they have the Jamaica 60 edition diamond socks. And if you never know, them socks I used to run the place back in the day. Go and ask your father and your grandfather, and let me tell you, them socks I say one. But not only do they look good, you know, but them also feel good. Because if you don't know me, you know, me's a tall youth, and my foot them is a loaf of bread. So me the kind of concern when them send me them socks, that if the socks them they are gonna fit me. So as soon as me get the box, people, me fling the socks them on my foot, and me gone around with them, come here for wear them and see how them feel, don't? Of course I know how them feel. And them feel good on my foot. Me not gonna lie to you. And them look good on my foot. And them rep Jamaica, which me love do already. So of course it's a win-win for me. But you know what, Andy? You know that's the question answer itself. Of course a pair of socks can be the perfect gift. Especially for the people when they are fine. You know the people who ever rep Jamaica, always have Jamaica things in them house, always run up and down with flag in a car, flag the all about. Them love Jamaica. And especially now, since them in the cold, pan the ice. When I feel like it's the best time to get them a gift for them actually I gotta use and can rep Jamaica. It makes sense, don't? Well, since we can all agree say it makes sense, and because me know say everybody love a little discount, and well because I feel like just giving us something. And because I know say I go buy a couple dozen for your family or foreign, for yourself, and for your cousin. May I give you a gift. When you go buy the socks them, use the discount code there. A gift from Dex, and you get 5% off for your purchase. Just because me love you, know? Alright, go along now. Go and organize up your foot them with the Irie Steppings collection.